Today, AI-generated news channels are becoming viral and are getting millions of views and generating $20,000 a month just from ad revenue. And the crazy thing is, the videos are simple and can be created in 15 minutes. Look at this example.
Now, let's talk about my day-to-day activity.
It's just some simple AI-generated image with a voiceover. Sounds easy to replicate, right? It is, but only if you use the right AI tools and actually know what you're doing. Otherwise, it's going to end up looking not good. Now, this is the video I created with AI that's much better and is niche specific to target female audience. You can choose the niche you like. Process will be the same. Most channels out there will tell you to whip up a script using ChatGPT and slap on some random image overlays. But let's be real, that just doesn't work. You'll end up with 0 views and a whole lot of wasted time. Like 99% of people who try YouTube automation. Stick around till the end of this video though, and I'll spill all the secrets those other channels are keeping from you. By the time we're done, you'll have everything you need to kick off your own YouTube automation journey. No gatekeeping here. Just make sure to follow all the steps I'm about to share, otherwise it won't work. If you already know how to create a YouTube channel, skip to the next part, although I'm sharing some SEO tips, so it might be good to watch though. Head over to YouTube and click on your profile, then switch account and view all channels. Next, press on Create New Channel and you'll be able to choose a name for your channel. Head over to ChatGPT and type in this exact prompt. We basically ask it to give us some name suggestions for a YouTube channel in the beauty news niche, with our reference channel's name as inspiration.
So just generate it and pick a name you like, then copy it and paste it into YouTube. Next, you want to go to your channel settings and add a description. Do this by telling ChatGPT the name you chose and ask it to write a well-organized channel description and ask it to include some emojis to make it more readable. You can even write it yourself if you like. Next up is the profile picture. So this will be what brands your channel. Take a moment to consider this. There are countless AI image generators available, and you can choose whichever one you prefer since they all function similarly. Knowing you all love free options, I'll guide you through doing everything with Leonardo AI, which is completely free. It even has an incredible feature we'll dive into later in the video that can truly set you apart from the competition. The best part? You can use this amazing feature too, without spending a single cent, but more on that in a bit. Take inspiration from some news channels and how they look like. You want to ask ChatGPT to create design ideas for a character that makes you think of a news anchor. You can just pause right here and write a similar prompt yourself. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, so generate it and choose the one you like best. Tell ChatGPT which one you want to go with and ask it to turn it into a text prompt that can be used in Leonardo AI. Copy the image prompt and head over to Leonardo AI, then paste the prompt and hit generate a couple of times until you get one you like. Download the image you like most and then just upload it to the YouTube Studio page. The final step before your YouTube channel is fully set up is adding channel tags. These tags help the YouTube algorithm figure out the audience you're aiming to reach. For instance, we're creating a channel in the beauty news niche. Since there aren't any uploads yet, YouTube will have a hard time identifying which viewers to target with the algorithm. So when you're in the YouTube Studio, press settings in the bottom left, then channel here, you'll see this box where you can enter tags that describe the entire channel. What you can then do is use YouTube tools like VidIQ to find the keywords that have the highest search volume and low competition. Here's how you do it. Go over to this VidIQ website. You can start for free by signing up here on the homepage. Then when you've logged in, press this keyword button that'll take you to this page. Since we're in the beauty news niche, I'll add the main keyword new makeup launches in the search box. You'll see the score of keyword as it's a good score. I will copy this keyword and give this prompt to ChatGPT. Then copy these keywords and put them box back in YouTube. Also try finding some negative keywords. With your channel set up, it's time to dive into creating your video. While we know our niche, we still need an engaging video topic. The topic you choose can be the deciding factor between 101 million views, regardless of your script writing, voiceover, and editing. So take some time to research a compelling topic. Here's a method I like using. If you remember, we used VidIQ for the channel tags. So we might as well use more of their features. So to find good topics, go back to the website and in keyword section. You already know the best keywords from creating the channel. Just take one of those, for example, makeup launches 2025, enter it in the search bar and press search. What VidIQ will then do is that it will recommend you the videos in the niche that are performing the absolute best. This info is super useful. For example, this one. So we will go with that topic since the video got 1 million views and it was uploaded relatively recently. Now all we gotta do is create a video on the same topic. By the way, all the tools I'm using in the video, like VidIQ, will be linked in the description. The first step in creating the actual video is writing the script. Don't underestimate this part. Many channels throw together a random script using ChatGPT and expect their video to go viral, but that's not how it works. Alongside the topic, your script is the backbone of your video. You could have the best editing in the world, but it won't matter if your script isn't up to par. Now, we will give this prompt to chat that will generate a video voiceover for us. The key here is not to generate a random voiceover, but we will gonna ask for some specific according to some research. You can copy the prompt from the description and make changes according to your niche. Wait a couple of seconds and it'll write the entire script for you now. Read it through a couple of times so that everything looks good and doesn't sound so AI generated. If you want to change anything, which I highly recommend you do copy it to notes and make your changes, you can make it longer, shorter, or even translate it to another language if that's what you want to do. There is, however, another way you can create your script with dub that is based on an already viral video, increasing your chances of going viral yourself. So find a channel in your niche that has a viral video, copy the link, and head over to dub. Then click on AI transcription and paste the link. The AI will then transcribe the entire video, meaning it writes out the entire script, but it's not free. So here is one free option as well. You can download otter.ai to your phone, and after signing up for free, you can press the record button and play the YouTube video on your laptop. Otter.ai will listen and write the entire script. You can't just copy someone else's script word for word, so we need to rewrite it. The idea here is to draw inspiration from concepts that have already proven successful. But let me be clear, I don't want any of you simply copying someone else's work. Instead, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the script, keeping the message exactly the same, but presented in a news-style format. Once you have a unique script and is proven to work, the next crucial step is getting a voice to bring it to life. In the past, before AI became so accessible, you'd have to go through the tedious process of searching for a voiceover artist, and often paying a hefty price for their services. Now, with the power of AI, you can generate a professional quality voiceover quickly and at a fraction of the cost. While there are countless text-to-speech software options available, my personal favorite is 11 Labs. It offers some of the most realistic and versatile voice options out there, and the best part, it's largely free to use. So once on the platform, that looks like this. Click here and sign up for free and pick a good voice. And no, don't be like the rest of failed YouTube channels that use Atom. You want to find a unique voice people have never heard before. I even like to create my own voices using 11 Labs, which is a new feature. This way you'll use a really unique voice that hasn't been used a lot before. To do this, click Add New Voice and then Voice Design. You'll then be able to choose gender identity and nationality. Since we're creating a video in the beauty niche, I'll create an American young female voice. Then you want to click on Use Voice. The next step is to paste your script into the tool, breaking it into separate paragraphs. Be mindful not to exceed 500 words at a time. If you try to paste something like 3,000 words all at once, the website can struggle with the formatting and end up producing low-quality voiceovers. Instead, work paragraph by paragraph until you've processed the entire script. Now remember the character we made with the Leonardo AI. Now we will put that into motion. Go to this website, link will be in the description, and sign up for free. Now go to create video and select avatar video. Create landscape video, then select photo avatar and upload the photo we generated from Leonardo AI. It will take a while to validate the photo, just sit tight. After it's done, you can delete the auto-generated script and choose the audio we generated from 11 Labs. Click on submit and you will see your video is in pending. Once it's done, you can download it. And it will look like this. Now go to Google and collect some images that are related to the script and the news. We are going to collect makeup images of some brands. Final step, we need some background music for our news. You can get free music from Pixabay. Search the term news and select whatever you like. Now once we have the voice over all the images and a whole script, it's time to put it all together. I always do it in CapCut for videos like this, since it's free, like all the other tools. And you don't really need any advanced features for this, you just need to know what features to use, which is exactly what I'm going to show you. Start off by creating a new project and import the photos as well as the voiceover and music. Now add all the visuals to the timeline and make sure you set the size of the canvas to 16 by 9 to begin with. We need an intro screen for the video. You can select some suitable news screen from CapCut stock videos like these, or go to this website, search for the news, and select license type free for free videos. I like this for intro and this for displaying news. Let's download them. Adjust the intro screen in the start as I have cropped it according to the music beat. Now remember our anchor? We need to remove the background. Click on auto removal and adjust it on the screen. Now time to add some transition. This effect looks similar to what we mostly see in news, so let's select this.
You have to adjust the layers so that the makeup images should be on the bottom layer and news green screen above them. Now again, go to remove background for the news screen and select chroma key and click on green screen. Green screen will then be removed and you can see your image in the news window. Now adjust it. Watch carefully what I am doing here. Time to add some motion to the static images in the window. Let's do that with keyframe transition. I am adding 2 keyframes on all the images, one at the start and one at the end. And on the end keyframe, I am either moving it to the left or adding some scale for motion like this. Watch carefully. One thing you want to do is reduce the music volume when the anchor starts speaking. That's literally all the editing you gotta do. And now you're ready to export the video, which means downloading it. So click on export and set the settings to 1080p and 60 frames per second. Now, all you gotta do is repeat this process every single week or day if you want to grow fast and stay consistent with it. Most channels give up after posting just a few videos because they don't get the views they expected. But before you quit, take a moment to hear what Mr. Beast has to say about it. His advice?
Make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking.
Yes, 100 videos. Now, there are a few important topics I couldn't dive into in this video, like thumbnail design, SEO, and monetization. If you're really interested in those, don't worry, I'll be posting videos on those topics soon. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you.